Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to simplify fractions. And trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. Simplifying a fraction means making it as small as possible without changing its value. To simplify, we need to find the biggest number that divides both the top and bottom of the fraction. For example, consider the given fraction 2 over 4. To simplify this, consider the biggest number that divided both 2 and 4, which is 2. Divide the numerator. 2 with 2 by 1. And divide the denominator 4 with 2 by 2, which becomes 1/2. Same value, just simpler. You can observe the shape of the fraction 2 over 4 and the simplest form, 1/2 1 over 2. Both are equivalent fractions. Consider the fraction 3 over 6 to simplify this. Consider the biggest number that divides both 3 and 6, which is 3. Now divide the numerator and denominator by 3. That will be 1 over 2. You can observe by the shapes of the fractions 3 over 6 and the simplest form 1 over 2 are both equivalent fractions. Now it's your turn. Simplify the fraction 4 over 8. Now pause the video and try. To simplify this, the biggest number that divides both 4 and 8 is 4. Divide the numerator and denominator by 4. That will be 1 over 2. You can observe both the fractions are equivalent. Simplify the fraction 5 over 10. Now pause the video and try. To simplify this, the biggest number that divides both the numerator and denominator is 5. The fraction simplifies to 1 over 2. And both the fractions are equivalent. Now, what this fraction simplifies to? Yes, correct. It is 1 over 1, which is 1. Great job.